Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. We're back here once again with a brand new video, and what a better way to make a comeback here on YouTube than with a brand new DJI drone leaked. And well, in today's video we're gonna be discussing whether or not this is indeed the upcoming Mavic 4, or is this a completely different drone. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and you're going to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product, whether it is the Air 3 or the Pocket 3. You already know this place to come for all the latest updates and news. And also, if you watch today's video and you're not subscribed yet, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. So without any much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which will be quite an exciting one to say the least. And well, we just literally saw the release of the Mavic 3 Pro 2 weeks ago, and the brand new DJI drone has just leaked. These images were shared thanks to our great friends Gil's Drone and Igor Bogdanov on Twitter, so a huge thanks to them for being able to get their hands on this set of incredible images for all of you guys to see. So without any much further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the next upcoming DJI drone. So here we have it in screen. This is the first image that we get of this brand new DJI drone. It looks a little familiar. You can clearly see that brand new camera that is never before been used in a DJI drone before. And here we have another view of the side of the drone. At first it looked kind of like an M30, the DJI Enterprise series, but what we have right there in the back looks very interesting. We have those, they look like two long tubes, and the question is, what in the world is their purpose and why are they there? Could it be an extra supply of battery or something completely different? That is what we all want to know. But here we have it from the top. You can clearly see that bright LED on the top. We have sensors everywhere, in the front, in the back, on the sides. I mean, this drone is fully capable of doing some incredible jobs. Now the question here is, could this indeed be the DJI Mavic 4? The truth here is that we don't know for certain what this drone actually is. So the coin is still up in the air. Now, if you ask me personally, what could this be? I think this could in fact be another version of the DJI M30 and M30T. Now, these drones are enterprise-level drones, so their focus is not really consumers, but more professional, high-grade level kind of consumers. So this drone is going to have, if it's an enterprise drone, in fact, it's going to have a very high price tag, but that is what I think this could be. Now, let me know down in the comment section down below. What do you guys think this could be? Could this be a Mavic 4, Mavic 4 Pro, Mavic 4 Enterprise? What do you guys think this could be? But without a doubt, this looks like a very promising drone, and it should be released here in the near future. We don't have details yet as far as a particular date or specs, but as soon as we know anything else about this drone, rest assured that you're going to be finding that information here first. So with that being said, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.